Hey guys, back with another video for my addictive blogging channel. So in this video I will be discussing about the secret always on display which you can set on the Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch. So Amazfit GTS 4 comes with the always on display feature which looks absolutely beautiful on this watch, and there are a numerous always on display which are default always on display that you get on this watch. So we will see all those always on display and how they look and how to set those always on displays on the smartwatch. So as always, this will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to say, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So the Amazfit GTS 4 comes with the always on display feature, and there are numerous ways in which you can set those always on display. So if you go to settings, you can see that I have the option of display, and if I go to always on, you will see there are two types of always on display you can set. The first option is follow watch face. So in this option the always on display will be set according to the watch face, and the second option is the style selector. So you will get all the default always on display in here, and in this you can set the always on display which will be displayed with the watch face according to your choice. So I will select the second option, and here we will see all the always on display which comes by default with this watch faces. So if your watch face doesn't come with any of the always on display, then also you can set them to enhance or customize the look of the Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch. So the first one is the default one. You can see the always on display comes with this analog style. It shows you the pi information along with the day. The second always on display also looks beautiful, and this is a digital always on display. You can see it has this color gradient over it, and it shows you the time along with the day and also the month with the date. So definitely a beautiful always on display coming with this Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch, and it looks really good on this watch. Definitely I will recommend you to set this one, as this is one of the best always on display you can get on the Amazfit GTS 4. The next always on display is another digital always on display, and you can see again it is showing you the time, and this is also a color always on display. It shows you the date, month and the day, and also it looks beautiful on the AMOLED display of the Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch. The next always on display is again another beautiful one with this analog and chronograph style always on display you are getting. So this is also a colored always on display, and you can see the minute hand has this beautiful gradient which looks absolutely wonderful on the watch, and also you can see that it shows you a lot of information like the battery left on the watch and also the heart rate information along with the step count and also the date, day and the month. Definitely a beautiful always on display you are getting on the Amazfit GTS 4. Last but not the least is this beautiful always on display where you can see it is showing you the time in this analog format, and it has this beautiful red and black accent where it also shows you the heart rate and the step count, and it looks beautiful on this Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch. Definitely a beautiful always on display that you can set on this watch, and with the AMOLED display these colors pop out on the Amazfit GTS 4. So these are the always on display you can set on the Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch. Definitely there are a lot more of the always on display you can set if your watch face has one, and definitely I will recommend you to set the always on display as per your choice. So that's it guys, I just wanted to show you the beautiful always on display that comes with this Amazfit GTS 4. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.